finding a scene to paint. I ventured to Blandford Nature Reserve in North Dorset, and it's Easter Monday, and I've noticed that the golden reeds are so tall, and you've got all the fresh leaves coming through, the hawthorn and the oak trees, the goat willows, beautiful white willows, and the fresh shoots of the reeds in the foreground. And I think this is definitely a scene I'd like to paint. Just this little pathway leading to all that beauty. Look at that. Let's go back like that. That's the scene. Maybe that. There we go.